Ever wondered where the brains behind your favorite point-of-sale system are located? The system that rings up your groceries, processes your restaurant orders, or manages your salon appointments. We're talking about Revel Systems, a big name in the POS world, and today we're diving deep to answer one simple but important question. Where is Revel Systems headquarters? Think about it. We use technology every single day, often without a second thought about the companies that create it. We tap our phones for rideshares, order food through apps, and pay for everything with a quick swipe or tap. But behind all those seamless transactions are teams of people working tirelessly to build and maintain these systems. And these teams are based somewhere. So where exactly is Revel Systems' home base? Before we get to the answer, let's talk a little bit about why this question even matters. Knowing where a company is headquartered can tell you a lot about its culture, its values, and even its future direction. It can give you a sense of the environment that fosters innovation and drives growth. It can also be a clue to the company's target market and its overall business strategy. For instance, a company headquartered in Silicon Valley might be more focused on cutting-edge tech and venture capital, while a company based in a major financial hub might prioritize stability and regulatory compliance. So, where does Revel fit into this picture? What kind of environment shaped its development and continues to influence its operations? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not Silicon Valley as many might assume. While Revel has a strong tech focus, its headquarters is actually located in Atlanta, Georgia. Yes, you heard that right. Atlanta, the vibrant capital of Georgia, is the heart of Revel Systems operations. This might seem a bit unexpected, especially given the dominance of Silicon Valley in the tech industry. But there's a good reason for Revel's choice of location. Atlanta has emerged as a major tech hub in its own right, attracting a wealth of talent and fostering a thriving startup ecosystem. Think about companies like MailChimp, NCR, and even the burgeoning fintech scene. Atlanta is becoming a serious player in the world of technology, and Revel Systems is right in the thick of it. This strategic location allows Revel to tap into a diverse pool of skilled professionals, from software engineers and product managers to sales and marketing experts. It also provides access to a growing network of investors and mentors, crucial for any company looking to scale and expand. But it's not just about access to talent and capital. Atlanta also offers a lower cost of living and a more affordable business environment compared to Silicon Valley. This can be a significant advantage for a company like Revel, allowing it to invest more resources into research and development, rather than getting bogged down by exorbitant real estate prices and operating costs. Moreover, Atlanta's geographical location provides easy access to major markets across the United States and even internationally. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world, makes it easy for Revel to connect with clients and partners from all over the globe. This global connectivity is essential for a company that serves businesses of all sizes, from small local shops to large multinational corporations. Now, knowing the headquarters location is just one piece of the puzzle. It's also important to understand the company's history and its overall mission. Revel Systems was founded in 2010 with a vision to revolutionize the point-of-sale industry. The founders recognized that many businesses were still relying on outdated and cumbersome POS systems, and they set out to create a more modern, intuitive, and feature-rich solution. Their goal was to build a system that would not only streamline transactions but also provide businesses with valuable data and insights to help them make better decisions. This focus on data-driven decision-making is a key differentiator for Revel Systems. Their platform offers a wide range of reporting and analytics tools that allow businesses to track sales, manage inventory, understand customer behavior, and much more. This emphasis on innovation and customer centricity has helped Revel Systems become one of the leading POS providers in the world. They serve a diverse range of industries, including restaurants, retail stores, hotels, and quick service businesses. Their platform is designed to be flexible and scalable, adapting to the unique needs of each individual business. So, to recap, the headquarters of Revel Systems is located in Atlanta, Georgia. This strategic location provides access to a wealth of talent, a thriving tech ecosystem, and a global network of connections. It's a testament to the fact that innovation can happen anywhere, not just in the traditional tech hubs. But the story of Revel Systems is more than just its location. It's a story of vision, innovation, and a commitment to helping businesses thrive. It's a story that continues to unfold as Revel Systems continues to evolve and push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of point-of-sale technology. Now, you might be wondering what's next for Revel Systems. Well, that's a question for another video. But one thing is certain. They're not standing still. They're constantly innovating, expanding their platform, and looking for new ways to serve their customers. They are a company to watch in the POS space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.